Welcome to this Mindomo tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the topic notes feature within the Mindomo product, which can help you add lots of extra information into your mind maps without cluttering up the surface level. So let's take a look. One of the most important benefits of using mind mapping software like Mindomo is the huge amount of information that you can build into your mind map while still keeping that information manageable. There are two really great features to use in Mindomo to do this. The first feature is topic notes, and this enables you to add a lot of extra information to any topic without creating extra clutter on the surface level. We can access topic notes from the sidebar menu over here and click this icon here to say add a note. You'll see here what we can do is add lots of text into the topic, but without creating lots of word clutter. The benefit of notes is it means we can just hide extra information and lots of information just beneath the surface and then just close that notes panel whenever we like and keep it out of the way. Now Mindomo gives us this little symbol here to tell us that we've got extra information beneath the surface, and if I hover over it you'll see it's just going to display what's in my notes. But this means we can put huge volumes of extra information just beneath the surface of our mind map and keep it really easily available, but still keep that surface level of our mind map nice and clean. To edit or remove the notes, we can simply click those notes. It's going to pop open the notes, and obviously as well as all these formatting options, we've got lots of things here. It's really a Word document in a note really, but of course if we want to delete it as well, we can just hit the trash can here and that's just going to remove that note from that topic. And there you have it, a simple look at how topic notes can be used in Mindomo to add lots of extra information to your mind maps without cluttering up the surface level. I hope you found this video useful, and for more resources to help you go further with Mindomo, visit Biggerplate.com.